Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you how you can draw secondary axes and how you can draw the charts in Excel and how you can draw, you can say, two y-axes on a single axis, or you can say the secondary axis on a chart. So first of all I am going to draw a chart here from this given data. I need to select all data and I have to go to insert section here, and then after that I can choose any type of chart which I want to make, but I want to make the lines chart like this. So right now you can see I have three columns. The given data is in three columns. One is no core fiber, the second is green fiber, and the third one is working distance. But right now on this chart it is showing that only two axes, one is y-axis and one is x-axis. So you can say the blue line is representing the green fiber and the red line is working distance, and the x-axis, which is not represented by here, but it is showing the length of no core fiber. Why I want to include the secondary axis, so you just need to select any identity, like I just select this one, and you have to go to format. When you will select any identity on the chart and then click the format section, and then on the top left corner there will be a format selection button, so you need to click on it and choose the secondary axis. So in this way you can see now there are two y-axis and the one x-axis. So in this way you can create the secondary axis, but the charts are not looking very good, so we need to modify them. And how we can, so I am just going to tell you more details how you can detail, how you can represent your charts in a good way. So guys, after that you have to modify, you have to develop the good charts, because chart represented the data, but you have to create your chart as a professional. So when you need to select, when you will select your chart, so after that you will see there is a layout button. So after clicking the layout button you can add the chart title, like it will give you the option that you want to type in the center double A title or above chart. So I will select the above chart title, so I can write simple title. You can write according to your own, and even you can uh, resize it, you can change fonts and colors, everything. So again, layout, I just select the chart title and then axis title. I will now I am going to edit the axis title, the first primary horizontal axis. I am going to edit the primary horizontal axis. Horizontal is only one axis, so it is only primary axis. So title below axis, I select title below axis, and so this is my no core fiber. So I can write here the no core fiber, and I will resize it, and then I want to add the primary vertical axis, and it depends on me that I want to write as a vertical title or horizontal title, but I want to edit a rotated title like this. So this is my this is my green fiber length. Yes, this is my green fiber length, so I can write green. I can write green fiber. For a good presentation I will bold it, and there should be a space. Green fiber, and the fonts. This is green fiber. Okay, now the third axis, which is our secondary y-axis. So now I need to write the title. I need to write the title of the secondary axis. So again I will select the chart, then go to the layout and then axis title, secondary vertical axis and rotate axis. So I will write the title here as I write for other charts, and this is working distance. So this is our chart. Even I can change the directions. I can resize the whole chart. I can do it bigger or I can do it smaller. So you can see in this way you can represent your data in a proper professional way. Even you can change the chart types, like I want to show the chart the working distance. I want to show the working distance in any format, like I selected this identity. After that I will change I will change my chart type here from the design section, and I can change the I can show this by the help of bars or scattered lines, anything. You can see it, they are representing my working distance with respect to green fiber and NCF. It's totally depend on you. Like again I want to change it with another, with the scattered data. So you can see I can change the chart type as well. So hope so guys you would like our video. Please like the video if you like it, and comment and do comment about this video. And if you did not subscribe our channel yet, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So in this way you will find all the notifications for our upcoming new videos. So if you have any query, if you want to make a if you want to see a special tutorial on Excel or any technology related issues, so we can make a video specially for you. So please let us know about your thoughts in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Meet you with the next video.